I'm going to show you how to do an image overlay today. So I've already pasted down a couple different pattern designs. So I've got two. These were actually, the first one was a starry sky. The second was a geometric sequence project the student did. The third one is a picture of a dancer. I've got a flower and then another geometric sequence. Okay, so what I want to do right now is I think I just want to hide these. So they're still there, but I'm going to work with a new layer. So what I'm going to do is, first I want to show you how to do an image overlay with text. So I'm going to click on the T, and I can do the color whatever I want. But I'm going to click here, and I'm going to do the word dance. Now, if I'm not happy with the size or the font, I can change that by just going up here. I can type in the box so it's not the default size. So let's say I want to do 250, oops, 250. Okay, I could move it around. I could go through and change it to a different font, but I'm pretty happy with this one. Okay, so now I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it here. Okay, so what I want to show you first is how to make this font or this word dance with a pattern on it. So I took the texture I want, which was just this design, and I moved it on top. So right now you can see that you can't see the word dance. What I want is I want this design to fill in the word dance. So if I hold down the ALT, the Alt key on the bottom of my keyboard, so I'm pressing it with my finger, and then if I hover between these two layers and I click, now the word dance has that design. And those two layers are sort of married together. So let's say I wanted to do that with an image. So right now, I'm going to hide the word dance. Okay, I've got the ballerina, and I've got the sort of celestial or sky background. If I bring her down so that the sky is on top of the ballerina, both layers are visible. If I hit Alt and I hover between the areas and I click that, then that pattern will fill in the ballerina. So then I've got the word dance, I've got her, I can move her around, I can click on her or I can click on the layer to play around with it and change the positioning as well. So, and if I want to move both layers at once, I can click Shift to select more than one, and I can move those together. So I could do that as well if I wanted to do that. So that's just how to add an image overlay so that a certain pattern fills in your shape.